the real essence of being human is to give birth in this world. But for us, being a homosexual is to be prosperous and to be contributing in our society. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My real name is Apple Monte Carlo. And for tonight, allow me to stand by the name na nag-iisang crush ng bayan, binibini ko natin, Hermosa. Na nagsasabing, bato-bato sa langit ang kamamayuhag. At na naisip ko pong tulay kami baklang bato, kaya sa lahat ng babato. Maraming salamat po.